PC. Nick speaking.
Hi, honey. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Good. Nice to meet you. My CPU is a neural net processor, a learning computer. What do we gotta do? Cyberdyne Systems Model 101.
Hi, how can I help you?
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Good. I'm a cybernetic organism. My CPU is a neural net processor, a learning computer. What do we gotta do?
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Thanks for calling TechForce. Sorry we
Howdy,
can't
stranger.
take your call right now. However, if you would like to leave your name and contact details, we will...
Fuck you.
Yeah, thank you. Hello?
You son of a bitch. How are you?
Hi. Hello, how can I help?
Good.
Yes? Hi.
Yes. My CPU is a neural net processor, a learning computer. What do we gotta do?
To be honest, buddy, I can't hear you properly. I can't really hear you.
Stop whining.
Hello?
Hi. Yes. Yes.
We do apologise about the current delays being experienced at the moment.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Good afternoon, computer troubleshooter, Steve speaking.
Let me talk to your mother.
I'm sorry?
Get your mother, please. She's a healthy female of breeding age. Where is she? Hey, I'm a police officer. Who are you?
I'm sorry, who are you talking to?
Hey, I'm a police officer.
Are you?
I'm Detective John Kimball.
I beg your pardon?
I'm a cop, you idiot! What's your real name? What?
Hi, and thanks for calling 0800 Reconnect.
Good morning.
Offer home phones for everyone. Unfortunately, you've reached us after hours.
You son of a bitch!
Time on the web at www.reconnect.co.nz.
Fuck you.
Sorry, we're not available as treatment. If you'd like to leave your name...
Fuck you.
Thank you for calling Split Rose Catering. We're currently either on the phone or you've called us outside of business. Please leave your name and a brief message and contact details after the tone, and we'll return your
No
call
deal.
as soon as possible. Thank you.
Fuck you. Good morning.
Good evening.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
My CPU is a neural net processor, a learning computer. What do we gotta do?
I'm sorry?
What do we gotta do?
What was your name?
Douglas Quaid.
And the name of the company, Douglas?
Yeah.
What is the name of your company?
I don't know. What's going on?
What do you mean, what's going on? You've rung me.
Come on, don't bullshit me.